Guys, good morning, good night, good afternoon. Look at the rainbow. That's where I'm going. That's where my job is, at the end of that rainbow. Hope you enjoy. Double rainbows going to work. It's gonna be a good day. Yay. Guys, good morning, good night, good afternoon. We're out on the job site again. Remember this house we did with Jeff and the guys a while ago? We're doing the driveway and the house surrounds. I think they've already done a fair bit. We've done most of it out here. We got a little bit here. There. Oh, well, that bit's missing. I don't know why that bit's missing. I've boxed it up now. It is 7 o'clock. I got this bit in. I just did this side. Bush is doing the other side. Looking pretty good. We're gonna do that little bit at the front there and that's it. Nice easy day. Oh, Lionel is here. Got big Lionel here. I just might help put it in and go home, I think. And they all need to wash off. Beautiful. We'll get Bushy screen this last bit.
That is enough to get that fucking ramp out the back way. Oh, there you go. Around the back of the shed.
Beautiful. Nice and flat. Driveway. Sometimes not dead flat because it rolls over or something. You never know what to do. Anyway, that's enough bull floating. Kieran's taking his time. Alright, we've got a truck here again. Let's go. We're cruising along now. Just got the truck backing up over here from my side. Oh, she's hot. She's hot and sweaty. Lionel's here now, so he's doing the other side now. Took over from Bushy. We'll just get some concrete in here and away we can go. Boom. Right. Let's go. 9 o'clock and it's all in. Oh, my stick trout off the driveway. Looking good. Chicken wood. Fresno on it and stick trout on it. Fresno is looking good. Nice and get a nice Fresno. Beautiful. Everyone's happy. Good times. Just gave Kieran a new trowel over there. And I gave Lionel one as well. He's been using the same trowel for a long time. And I'll just add to these edges here. It's 9:15 and Jeff Rose putting some sugar and water on. That's how you put it on, not like I did yesterday with the Coke. Just poured it on. I don't think the coke was very good to wash off, really. But if you do it evenly, I suppose, it might be a different story. But the rest of it's all stick trad off. All the edges are done. I'm just doing this bit over here. Just set the sugar first. What happened to your battery operated one? No good.
Oh, the nozzle on it.
Oh, the nozzle shit. You had an electric one over there, but no good. Alright. See what the concrete's like over here. When he's putting it on, you just make little marks on it, little squiggles. That's the time to do it. That's the time. Put the sugar and water on. It's all been done too. There's a bit more around the other side of the house as well. Looking pretty good. It's got aluminium strips in this bit. I think they're going to cut the driveway. So that'll be alright. Alright. Boys are putting the roof on over there. What's up? Anyway. Alright, it's 9:30. Just putting sugar over the whole lot now. She's sugared it all up. And I'm going home. The boys are right now. They don't need any more help. The rest of it's all trowed up. Boys are going to get smoke, eh? Oh.
What do you say? Only one done? Yeah, I don't want to leave it there, and your yeast won't be able to.
Anyway, that's me for today. There wasn't too much. Alright guys, that's me for today. Wasn't too much action. Just helped put the driveway in. Finish it off a little bit. Get them ready for sugar, and then I'm going. They can wash off by themselves. There's enough boys here today. And I'm pretty tired after my day yesterday. That was harder than doing a normal day's work. Playing with that fucking stupid little concrete. Anyway, so if you haven't seen that video, go and watch the Coca-Cola. It's got straight Coke in the concrete, no water, just straight Coke. And you tell me how long you think it's going to go off. I won't tell you how long it did take, but anyway, you'll find out if you watch the video. And I'll see you all tomorrow. I've got a job with Dave Keeble and the boys, so hopefully I'll get us a bit of a video happening then. But until then, I'll see you all tomorrow. Enjoy, have fun, bye-bye. Alright guys, I'm home from today's work. We're just checking out these slabs from yesterday, the Coca-Cola one and the water one. Look at the Coca-Cola one. Looks like it's got cracks all through it. Look at that. She's brittle. Look at that, turns to dust. Crap. That's not good. Definitely would not do that for a job. And the old concrete one with the water. It's got a big crack in it there. She's pretty solid. She's pretty solid, that one. Yep, the old water and the concrete, you can't beat that. Alright guys, stay tuned to the next one. I'm thinking of trying beer next. Beer mixed with concrete. How long will that take? Stay tuned. Subscribe for more. Bye-bye. Alright, what have we got bags on? Oh. Settle down here, sir. That's it. That's it, good. Lock it, you better hold your hand up to you, sir. He's tall. Not too hard. That's it. Hey, a big axe sticks on him. He doesn't know now. Oh. Now. Voice it. Straight to the head. Cody, do it. Have a rest with it. Stop. Chill for a second.
While we pause them, come on. You gotta fight through that yourself. Yep. Okay. You going?
No, both stuff.
Yeah, that's okay. That's gonna happen. Stand in front of him right now. Knuckle out. Shuffle back. Yeah, give him a smack down. Come on. Right there in front of you.
Punch.
Give us what?
No, he's bugging.
Get down.